In this video, we are going to learn about AI feature of Autodesk for AutoCAD software. We have two tools, detect and convert and search and convert. So first, let's create one block. I'll just make one rectangle. I'm making one circle on this. Now I'll making copy of this. We can make multiple copies, how much you want. Let me make at least 4 copies of the object. Now I'll convert one object to be a block. We'll type a shortcut B, enter. We'll give the name of block. We'll mention the name block itself. And we'll define one pick point. And we'll select the object, enter. Here we'll choose convert to block and do OK. So this we have a block in our software. Now we'll go to the option detect and convert. We can also type B detects. We type B detect, enter. Now the software AI features start working. It will scan your drawing, running the detection, and then it will give the results. So it will take some time. So here it finds that we have 4 more similar objects. So we right click here. If you want to edit the primary object, you can edit it, but we want to convert them into a block. We'll click here, convert to block. Now here you want to make a new block or you want to keep this in existing. So I want to keep in existing. Here, what are the recent block you have made, you can select that also. And you can, if you have another layers, you want to assign a layer, you can define the layer. By default we have 0 layer, and we'll click convert and we'll accept this. Now all the parts has been converted to blocks. You can see this is the block object. Next we have search and convert. So like if you have multiple objects in your drawing and you want to search and then you want to convert that object into a block, so that also we can do. Like I'll make another block. Let's design one simple door symbol. I'll trim it. I'll copy this. Or any other objects in your drawing. So we will tell the software you search this kind of object and convert that into a block. So we can type B search, or we can come here and we can directly take this command search and convert. We select the object that we want to search in our drawing, enter. So here you see automatically it searched, it got the number of objects. We got search 5. We click on convert. Again we keep an existing block, or we'll take new here. Let's take a new block and we'll give the name. I will give a name door. Like I'll give the name size 3 feet into 7 feet, that is the size. Anything else you want to give, we can define a base point also. I will define a base point and we'll keep it in 0 layer and convert. So these all has been converted into door block. You can type I also for insert command. You can check here. We have 2 blocks are present in our library. We can also take from here and use it. So this we have seen how this AI feature work in AutoCAD. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.